Hello there. Welcome to Guide Coachings. My name is Moazzam Ali and today we are continuing on to the series which we have started. Okay, if you have not seen my first video onto the BI tool question answers of related to the interview, you can click on the I button and you can get that video. Today in this video we will be talking about the second question, that is how can we derive sales for first and last day of every month in every year. So we will be solving that. Okay, so we will quickly jump on to the practical window and we'll see what exactly the question is. As I mentioned, we need to explain the question to the interviewer so that uh, he will be understood that we understand his question. Okay, so as per the question, the interviewer is asking us that he wants to get the sales every year and every month for the first and the last day of every month. So if suppose if you're considering the data for 2023 January, so first sale happened on 1st of January, and if last sale happened on 29th of January, and so we will be showing the 1st of January sales and 29th of the January sales. If the first sale happened into the 2nd August 2023 and the last sale happened at 31st August 2023, will be showing that. So if you see over here, if I select only 20 to 21, so you can see the first sale happened on first day and the last sale happened onto the 31st day. If I select it for 2022, you can see the first sales happened at the second day of the August and the last sale happened at 31st of August. Now this is what we need to create. Now how we will be creating it? We will be simply I'll be simply clearing it out. Okay, now we will be start writing. So to get the month and the year, first of all, what we will do, we have the order date. So simply we will take the order date. Okay, we will put the order date over here, but if you see it is having some old data, so I have created a calculated field using data function. So if I put it over here, you can get it 20, 21, 22, 23. Now how I have created it, you can simply go and check out my previous video if you want to see it, or simply you can write it date add and then year and then 6 and then you will be adding the order date to it. Okay, so this is how you will create it. Then you will click you will expand this hierarchy, you will remove the month, you will change it to day. Now you will convert it to the date. Okay, now we will convert it to exact discrete. This is how you will see. So first of all, now I'll put the sales onto the text. Now this far we have done. Okay, so my first sale happened on 4th of January and last sale happened on 31st of January for the year 2020. If I want to see it for February, on 1st February my first sale happened, and in the month of February on 24th was my last sale which happened in the month of February. So how I can get it? We will be creating obviously a calculated field where we will be checking it. So now here we want to see it on the basis. If you see the question, we the question is the interviewer is asking on the basis of the every month and every year. So month and year should be fixed. Now we will be creating fixed LOD. You are guessing it right. Okay, so we will be creating a calculated field. I will be calling it as a first sales, first sales of the month. Okay, just for the sake of understanding, then I'll go inside it. Okay, and then I will write the logic. So what I want, I will be creating a fixed type of LOD, so I'll be writing fixed. Okay, then I will what I want year. I want month as well. So first of all, I'll write month. I can write year as well. There's no any issue. Order date. Okay. Then I will be comma. I want year to be fixed. So month, year, order date. Okay. Then I will put semicolon and then I'll put the minimum order ID. That is the first F every month. So minimum of order date. Okay, this is how I will create it. I need to close the curly brackets. I'll click OK. Now this is working fine. I'll click OK. I'll put it over here. Okay, I'll convert it to this day. Okay, now it is getting loaded. So meanwhile it is loaded, I'll explain you what I have done is I have created a fixed type of LOD where I have taken fixed as month and year, and then I have converted it into day. Now I am converting this into discrete. Okay, so now see the minimum, the first sales minimum is nothing but my first sale, the first of every month. Okay, so this in this month I have sold goods on 4th of January, that is my first. On second month, 1st March is my first sale happened in this month 2020. Okay, now this is the same this is the logic for the first sale of the month. Now I will be, if I want to get it for max, what I will do, I will simply put it as max. Okay, and this will give me the maximum date, that is the last day. Maximum day is nothing but your last day of the sale. So this month, in this month, January month, 31st is your January month, and which happened in the, okay, so it is giving me all days as a 31st of January. Okay, got it, I got the logic now. So what I will do, I will put this and minimum and maximum into my order date. Okay, so first sales of the month, yeah. So see this, I'll write it in front of you. So if logic, if I will write the logic over here, if then one else. Okay, I just want to create a flag of it, so I will write if is equal, if condition, certain condition, if certain condition is true then 1, if it is false then 0, else end. Okay, that is how I will end it. Now I will be writing my logic. So what is my logic? My logic is I want order date is equals to what, is equals to my fixed LOD which we have created, that is fixed. Okay, fixed, and here I will be writing my logic. What is my logic? Now I want it month basis, month, order date, comma, year, order date. Okay, then I will put semicolon, and then I will put my order ID, mean order ID. Let's see, mean order ID. Okay, sorry, order date. Okay, so this is my mean order date, or okay, this is my fixed LOD. One is done. Now if it is minimum or it is maximum, or then I will copy the same logic of this. If this equals to minimum or this equals to maximum, okay, I'll expand it so that you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, this is how the logic is. Okay, I'll expand it over here as well. Okay, it looks big but it is simple. Okay, so I will put it into the next line. Okay, so this is how it will be looking. Okay, or or condition is there, date of fix, min, and now I'll change it to max. Okay, now this is done, and if order date is equals to fixed month, year, order date, colon, minimum order date, or here I will be writing, yeah, or order date is equals to, or order date is equals to fixed month order date, year order date, max order date. Okay, this is how it is written. Then I will close it. Okay, so this is my bracket close. Then then one, if this, then one. What is the thing which I am missing over here? uh, order date fixed, that is fine. Everything looks fine to me. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed this. Okay, and same here is missed. Okay, so this is the bracket of mean and max. Okay, so this is done. Now I will be clicking OK, and I'll remove it, and I'll put it one more time. Okay, and this time I will see this now. If you see the flag, that is first is done. So what I will do, I will put this first into the filters. I just want it the true values to be shown. So this is how it is done. Now if you see, for the first month of 2020, the 4th of January is showing, and last day of the month, that is 31st of January, is showing. Now what I will do, I will create filters. So show filter and show filter. Okay, this is how it is done. I'll put it above. Okay, now I will create it into a relative field, only relevant values. Okay, so this is my cascading filter is done. Now I just want to see the 2020 data for the month of January. So for the month of January, first day and last day sales is shown. If I want to see it for August, so it will be showing me the first and last sales of the month. If I want to see it for the first of the month of November, it will be showing me the date. Okay, that is how we can do it. Okay, and the next question we will be continuing in this series. We will be taking it tomorrow. So in tomorrow's video, we will be seeing how to show default sales and custom sales. Okay, how we will show that, we will be seeing into our upcoming videos. That's all for today. Thank you guys. Okay, we will also have a discussion around it, like how we have done, what is the logic of it. So we will dissect it, the problem as well. So, step first, what we did is, here we need to have year and month and day. Okay, if he is asking about your day as well, so what you will do over here into the logic of your this, that is first year sales, I will show edit it. So here you have written month, year, that is only for month and year. If he is asking for day as well, so you will write day as well, and then you will write order date. Okay, that is how you will be doing, and you will be adding this day into the below condition as well, and then it will be showing you for the month, day, year as well. Okay, now if step 2, in order to order 3 three times, we have added the current year sales, and then we have expanded it, and then we will into the second step, we will do that. Then in the third step, what we did is, we have created a fixed type of LOD for year and month, that is we have added over there, which we will be checking it for minimum, that is minimum date, that is the first month first day sales, and maximum is nothing but the last sales of that particular month. So we will writing the same logic for the first day and the last day of the month. Then what we will do, we will create a flag. The flag is nothing but this first sales of the month. So this is nothing but my flag, where I am distinguishing, where I am identifying that whatever is minimum, which is satisfying my condition, will be true, that is one. And whatever not satisfying my condition, whatever condition I have written, see, understand the logic, whatever my condition is, I will put that condition over there, and I'll put it as one, that is true. One is nothing but true. If you convert it into boolean, that is true. Okay, and else is false condition. What it is, if it is not matching, then it can categorize it into, or group it into the false category. So that is the categorization. Now what I will do, I will, and the I'll put this filter into my filters. I'll put this condition to my filters, and that is how the data will be segregated. Okay, that is how the data will be separated out, and I will get the expected result. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, or any doubts, you can write me a comment, and we will be discussing it into our next session. Okay, if you have not subscribed us, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. That's all for today. Thank you.